bow. Don't make my system go.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. And why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway, marry that girl. Marry her anyway, marry that girl. Yeah, no matter what you say, marry that girl, and we'll be a family. Why you gotta be so rude?
Oh, that was good.
There.
Okay, blow it out. Okay, spit on it.
Thank you. Sir, I need that camera right now.
FBI warning.
Where the car is?
I'm starting to get worried about my toes.
I'm putting that in the video.
Oh,
What's wrong with your toes?
there's something on
My
it.
followers need to know.
There's something on it right here.
Oh, that's sexy.
Help me on it. Come here, Tina. Help me out.
Yeah, I got some weird followers. They ain't do anything.
That's why she can't wipe away the thing. Oh.
This is a little small, so keep it.
Okay, look at you.
Like me!
Hold on, let me take a video.
Let's go! Did we get it? No! Let's go! Did we get it? Yeah! It didn't!
Alright, we got it.
That's cool.
That's freaking intense.